Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. Let's go for question number 7. It says for some positive real number x, if log of x to root 3, I'll just write it down, log of x to root 3 to the base root 3 plus log 25 to base x by log 0.008. If you look at that, please note what is it, 0.2. If you do 0.2 square, it will be 0.04. If you do 0.2 cube, it's going to be 0.008. So can I write 0.008 as 0.2 cube to the base x? This is equal to 16 by 3. Then he's asking us to find the value of log of 3x square to the base 3. Okay, now observe. This will become what? So we simplify log x to base 3, base root 3. Let's keep it as it is. If you want, you can write root 3 as 3 to the power 1 by 2. And if there is a power in the base of the logarithm, how to deal with that? I am sure we know the relevant rule for that. And can we write this as log 25, which is 5 square, to base x can be written as by log x, because log a to base b, we can change the power, the base like this. It's nothing but log a to base m by log b to base m. M could be any value. Similarly, this denominator will be log 0.2 whole cube. The 3 can come outside. Log 0.2 will be what? 0.2 is 1 by 5. 5 to the power minus 1, alright, by log x. Now in the numerator and denominator I see a log x term, we can cancel it. So this will be how much? This is 16 by 3 given to us. So whatever is there in the power in the base, it will come before the logarithm in the denominator. So this will become 1 by 1 by 2, which is basically equal to 2. So 2 into log x to base 3. Now observe, I can pull out this power before the logarithm. So it's 2 into log 5 by, and this minus 1 can also be pulled before the logarithm, minus 3 into log 5 is what will be left here, because log x is cancelled. This will be 16 by 3. Log 5 will also cancel out, and hence this is going to be 16 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 18 by 3, 6. This 2 will cancel out 3 times. So log x to base 3 is 3 would mean 3x will be 3 power 3. Is he asking us the value of x? No. He is asking us value of some other expression. So now can I write log of 3x square. X is 3 cube. So 3 cube whole square will be 3 power 6 to the base 3 will be what? Log 3 power 7 to the base 3. This 7 can be brought before the logarithm. So 7 into log 3 to base 3 is 1, and hence my answer for question number 7 will be 7. I hope we are clear with this.